Hi everyone. So since the prices has been released for OnePlus 8 series, I've been thinking about selling my Galaxy S20 and buying the OnePlus 8 Pro. I've used OnePlus 5T in the past and it was a good phone, but I sold that for no time because there were few things missing in OnePlus. A good camera, Quad HD screen, wireless charging, IP rating, and I personally miss Samsung Pay. OnePlus released a lot of devices after that, but there was always something missing in those phones. So the speed was the only priority for OnePlus, but now things have changed. OnePlus is not a flagship killer anymore. It's competing with all the flagships right now. Although if you still want to purchase a flagship killer from OnePlus, I think you can consider OnePlus 70. I still think it's a better buy than OnePlus 8. I have explained that in this video, so please go check that out. There are not a lot of options in flagship category. If you see, Google Pixel didn't launch the Pixel 4 in India. Actually, we dodged that bullet. iPhones are really expensive and Huawei has its own issues with Google. So that leaves us with Samsung, at least in the flagship category, or either you buy some flagship killers. I think Samsung is also taking the Indian market lightly from last couple of years. So if you see last year, the controversy of Exynos and Snapdragon, but we're still here with Exynos 990 and it's having the same issues right now. If you compare prices after GST increase, the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus will cost you around 78,000 rupees because you don't want to go for S20 because of that smaller battery and no cooling system. And the gap between Samsung and OnePlus has almost disappeared. Yes, there are some things that S20 still does better than OnePlus. Good front camera, expandable storage, and less curved edges. But that's it. Rest you get everything same or even better on OnePlus 8 Pro. That Snapdragon 865, that Quad HD Plus resolution with 120Hz refresh rate where you don't have to switch to Full HD, that 10-bit display, better battery life, faster wireless charging. You get much smoother Android experience, a better gaming experience, that matte finish on the back. I mean, the list still goes on. I still like the fingerprint sensor of OnePlus 7T Pro. It's much better than Galaxy S20 and it's going to be better on OnePlus 8 Pro. I know it's not that secure, but you want something to be reliable than frustrating, even if it's not secure. There are some small reasons where you will choose Samsung over OnePlus because they have more service center and some people might prefer One UI 2.1. The fact that you have a smaller device in the flagship category, OnePlus is still a larger device. I think in the end everything comes to the price. I mean, you save a lot of money if you go for OnePlus 8 Pro. I would like to know your thoughts whether I should sell my Galaxy S20 and go for OnePlus 8 Pro. If you enjoy my video, please like, share and subscribe. My name is Rohit. I'll see you in the next one. Till then,